YouTube? Today on Where's My 10mm, we're going to be unboxing this Super SQV4. It's a sequential blow-off valve. So let's get right into this. Just got this today. I'll show you some more specific details later in the video. Right now we're just going to unbox this and I'll show you what's all in here. Okay, so right here is the main blow-off valve. Here is all the hardware to install it, and then the instructions. I believe they do have Japanese and American. Alright, and so here we have the SQV4. I got the Gunmetal Gray limited edition. Don't really know how limited that is. It's been up there for a few years. So here's what it looks like. Alright, so here we have everything that was included in the box. If we look at the install kit, it comes with 2 vacuum line tees, 1 O-ring, a vacuum line filter, 3 zip ties, and then it has the C-clamp right there. That just seals onto the flange, this right here. Alright, and then if we look at the instructions, I'm pretty sure I just said they're all Japanese. That was incorrect. It is actually all English. This basically just says how to install it, how to mount it onto the flange. Pretty simple. You just plumb it up to your intake manifold to this line right here.